Doors fell off, so my mate's gone to get some wrenches to put it back on.
Brother! Oh boy, something's not right. He's gonna take pictures, he said do a couple of flybys. We are back with a video. I am on my Tracer. We've got my mate on his Ducati and we are heading that way. So as you know, good vibes only. So make sure you stay tuned. Brother, green light. The right boys, look, Soho going off today. He's like, yo, that's a girl as well. What? That's crazy, man. It's red out today. We're out early today. Normally we're out a little bit later, but I can't lie, I'm trying to get out, but it's going to get even more hotter and I'm going to be hibernating. But when it gets too hot, me and the heat, we don't get along. So we're going to have a quick blast to Matlock, have a coffee, drink and whatever, all the good stuff. Oh boys, I love the sound of his bike now. Very nice, very nice. Got a nice gravel there, crazy. We're gonna go straight over, brother. We're gonna go straight over, but watch the gravel on the floor. Hey, Max, very dangerous. Alright boys, love this bike now, even more. Woo! Nastiness. Now I don't need S1K or any of the boys to be in front of me to make some room for me to get past them. Now they can hear me.
Doors fell off, so my mate's gone to get some wrenches to put it back on.
The exhaust fell off?
Yeah.
Oh yeah?
But the adjustable I got, it don't tighten it.
Oh yeah, fair enough mate, stress.
Anyway, so.
Where's it meant to tie up to?
Here on this thread.
Oh, yeah, okay, I see it now, I see it.
So I can't, so my mate's gone to get
What?
some wrenches on.
Is this maxed out then?
Say again? Yeah, that's maxed out.
Oh yeah, stress.
Works on it. No, that's not.
Yeah, no point forcing them, we're just going to round it off to be honest.
Exactly, yeah.
Yeah, you say someone's coming though, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright my bro.
Bye, have a good one, yeah?
Yeah, see you in a bit mate, nice one bro, appreciate that. Builder bro. Dangerous. Oh, boys, this bike just sings to me now. I love it. Oh boy. Woo! Woo! Austin. If you do come down there, there's always like undercover police on bikes and everything down there. Not there today. Very dangerous, boys. Something to look out for. Hold on there as well. There's like a tunnel. I'm trying to get the RPM like perfect timing so it just pops off. I want to hear it, but I don't think this is it. Where's the tunnel gone? I forgot. Brothers, I don't even know, imagine that. They call me quite a lot and I forgot. Very dangerous. RX-7, very nice. There's the tunnel. Hold on, boys, let's have a look. Ah, I didn't do it. It's like 4K or something. It starts popping. Woo! It's gonna be busy today, isn't it, boys? Busy, busy. Sounds so good now. I'm absolute gas, boys, I can't lie. If you've been watching my videos, you don't understand how much I've been like screaming for exhaust, man. What we got? Alright, mate. He's gonna take pictures. He said do a couple of flybys or fly up and down, get some pictures. Come on, boys, you know me, I won't say no. Gotta try and find spin around somewhere. I'll spin around here, boys, spin around here. Hold on, let these lot go a bit front a bit, man. I don't want no mopeds or push bikes, solicitors, moped, pedal and poppers. Oh, don't tell the chat's gonna pull out. Oh, man. That is stress, man. That is stress. God, daggy tractor in front of you, man. Right, there's a fully flopped the whole scenario or whatever you want to call it. Gravel everyone on the floor, brother. Pulling out tractors, dinosaurs, pigeons. Oh my god, it's gonna be a flop, innit? I can see some caravan not even moving. Red out today, boys, red out. I can't lie, I'm lying about the coffee. I need a pint, bro. Come on, it'd be illegal right now not to have one. Let the baby case cool down a bit. Hello, my French. Bro just ignored me. Bless. Oh, sounds so good now. I know I keep saying it, but woohoo! Red, oh brother, what was that? I see you, my friend, I see you. You the best, bro, you the best. Hold on, more pictures. Brother, don't overtake the brother. Brother, brother wants to pull up, brother. I can't lie, boys. I need a pint. Sweating. Wow, very dangerous. What's up, man? Hey, your brother. Hot, bro. And all the good people still watching. I can't lie, it's mad busy, but it's mad hot at the same time. I don't even want to put this gear on right now. But we're just going to be heading towards Superbike Factory. We just want to look at some mopeds, and obviously on the way back to home anyway. So we're just going to go there, boys, girls and aunties, all the good people watching. So if you stay here, stay tuned. We're going to be rolling on our mopeds to the next place. Yes, sir. Oh boys, I'm loving this moped. The weather's beautiful, but it's too hot, man. Woo, the downshift on this, boys. Boys. Oh, I love this bike, man. Nice and cool down there, boys. Beautiful. Looks like a big cherry. Mad. Try get the RPM bang on the way it pops and bangs and all the good stuff. I'm hoping you guys can hear it, because this is phenomenal, very good, very nice, it's beautiful. She's singing, my French. Ah, boys, I feel like my gloves are melting. I can't even lie, man. It's very hot. Oh, it's so good, man. Oh, brother. Yeah, we're not far off now from Superbike Factory. I think another like 10-15 minutes and we're about there, boys. Sounds so good, boys. Sounds so good, man. Oh, here. We are El parking here. Right then, boys and girls, aunties, we'll be back in a minute. People and Nazy as well. I was saying, I got so much low fuel. Brother, very dangerous. It was like off a tank not that long ago. stress. Got rinsed off. Someone's robbed my fuel, boys. But yeah, still red hot. Quick drink, and we are heading home. And that's it, boys. I'm calling it a day, man. I'm done. Got suntan on my nostrils and everything, boys. JD, I'm going off today as well. Woo! Oh, so good. Oh, I can't even stop here, boy. Oh boy, something's not right. So the guy's got some issues. He's coming up with some fault or something, so every time he's trying to ride, it's just juddering or jerking or whatever you want to call it. Very dangerous, boys. Well, I don't know, bro's gone now though, so I think he's alright now. Oh guys, and all the good people watching this video, I appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe. Woo! Like, share, comment, all the good stuff. I'll see you guys in the next one.